If you are planning a trip to Lagos, Algarve, Portugal in 2024, then you've come to the right place. Lagos in the Algarve of Portugal is a charming port town. Lagos boasts dramatic natural scenery and outstanding beaches. This Lagos walking tour or walkabout is an ideal way for a first-timer to explore. Lagos, Portugal is an ideal destination for retirees wanting to escape the winter weather. The temperatures here and climate are ideal for a relaxing time away. Welcome everybody, here we are in Lagos, Algarve, Portugal. It's a little windy today, so bear with us as we take a tour around this city. I would just like to explain that the format of this video is very different than our typical vlog style video. Instead, on Thursdays, we are doing a walkabout and we are not adding any additional music or anything like that in the background. We're just giving you some details and we are letting you hear the city and the soundscape of the city for yourself as it is. Today is an extremely windy day, so I'm going to try to manage that the best I can for you. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you're looking for more of a vlog style video, we have that every Sunday, and we will have this Sunday a vlog style video on Lagos. Hope to see you on Sunday as well. Casa de Justiça, so it's like a courthouse. As I said, it is very windy out here by the sea. As soon as we get inside the city walls, the old city walls, it will be much better. So stay with us. Church of St. Mary's. Here. So this would be the gates to the city. Through here, people would come by boat. Through here, this is probably a safe harbor in the old days. You can see what it's like way up there. And then the fortified city with the fortified walls here. See the huge beach there on Lagos with all those walking paths. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can get you a little closer. Can you see the beaches there? Wow. It is extremely windy today. You can see the blue turquoisey sea with a lot of whitecaps. We're going to take a walk through the ancient walled city that we have right here. We're going to walk through and see what it looks like inside. So this is literally a wall, fortified wall for the old city. Little chapel here. I think we're gonna go up along this road here. So this is Igreja Sant Antonio, which is Church of Saint Anthony's, Sant Antonio. So we're in the walled city part, the old ancient part of the city, and there are multiple town squares here. It's very much a pedestrian area. Isn't that pretty? We are looking for a coffee shop so we can enjoy a nice coffee. And Frank wants to enjoy his pastel de nata, his daily intake of it, almost like it's a supplement. Anyway, it's quite beautiful here. Inside the walled city, you know, the wind isn't quite as harsh as it was outside of it by the river and by the ocean. So it's kind of a nice little break. If you're enjoying this video, give us a like. And if you are so inclined, a subscribe would be nice as well. So the graffiti on the streets is very common here in Portugal. Even more so when you get to Lisbon and the Porto area. But it is very, very, very common to see that.
This is it right here.
So this is the restaurant for cafe that Frank is wanting to try out, that appeals to him. So let's see if we, hi sweetheart, if we luck out this time. All right, this is the intersection where we're at. And this is the cafe. I think we've arrived to a nice place to have a nice coffee. Cheers, everybody. Frank went to a bakery. That's the bakery, Padaria Central. And he is having one of these. Was there a name on what they're called?
Bowl of something.
Bowl of something, cake of something. It's like a donut filled with some sort of creamy yellow
Custardy sauce.
custardy. Is it eggy or is it vanilla-like?
Yeah, vanilla-ish like.
Vanilla flavor. Or as they would say here, vanilla. Vanilla. Lots of little restaurants along here. Another bakery.
Square.
This is a town square.
See, it seems all the roads that jut out from it.
Oh, it's okay. Very beautiful. Well, Lagos just had so much to offer, I couldn't possibly fit it onto this little short video for you, this little walkabout that we did for you today. So I put together this little montage for you, which shares a little bit more on the marina. And if you'd like our videos, please give us a like and share, subscribe, that sort of thing. You know what needs to be done if you like our content. And don't forget, on Sunday, we have our vlog on Lagos as well. If you want to follow us on social media, you can find us at Java Walker World on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. And YouTube, of course. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on Sunday.